am at making you better. And it ain't going to happen, folks. Everybody else is out there trying to figure out how they can monetize your attention, because they need to make the money. They want to buy their Lamborghini. They want to be able to rent these villas. They want to be able to floss in front of you and say, look how great I am as a trader. And it's none of that shit coming from their profitable trades, because they have no profitable trades. They have market replay marketing. That's what they have. And the things they say and the things that come out of their fucking mouth is nonsense. It edifies them through ego and pomp. It is not edifying you. It's not increasing your ability to manage yourself, which is essential. It's important to have those things. But in the beginning, you don't think that's necessary. You think it's all about, show me how to get into a trade. How can I put a very small stop loss on and not get stopped out? How can I do that every day? And you wonder why all these jokers that can sell mentorships learn this in 5 minutes, how to have 100% strike rate. That's bullshit. But suckers will buy into that all the time. Why? Because right now everything's painful. It's scary because things are so expensive. And it's going to be more expensive in 2025, and 2026, and 2027. No matter who gets in that office in the White House, we're going to have hard times. I'm not going to be immune to it. I'm going to spend more money than I'm used to spending, but the difference is I have more money to spend. You might not. You might see what happens here in the next 5 to 6 weeks, and it completely blows you out psychologically, and you can't focus because the stress is too high. And trading, you won't be able to focus on trading because you're worrying about external issues that are real tangible issues, because you have a family to take care of. You have needs and ends to make meet. And you're going to tell yourself, I need. No, you don't. I have to. No, you don't. No, you don't. None of you have to trade ever. None of you need the next trade to be a winner. That's just you saying that. If you never found investing or trading, you wouldn't say things like that. But because you knew the opportunity is there, and you see the influence of other people saying, look at my payout. Look at my payout. Look at my payout. They're doing that because they're signaling, because they need attention. They need to remind themselves. It's like a pinch for them, because they can't believe they just did that. They cannot believe they just pulled that off. And that's why they're sharing it online. Someone that is come to terms with themselves, they have confidence in themselves. They are not doing, here's how much money I made. Here's how much money. Look at me. Look over here. Hey, you over there. I know you don't even trade, but stop for a second. Look what the fuck I just did. Look at that, bro. Come at me. Nobody cares that much. Nobody cares that much. But if someone will like that comment or retweet it or give you an attaboy, attagirl, that means more than what you just made in money. That means more than what you earned in your trading. Tell me how that makes fucking sense. Some of you are sitting there laughing to yourself like, yeah, that's exactly what the hell's going on when I do it. I never thought about that either. Right. Because your shit's all twisted. Your perspective's all messed up. You're not in the market to impress people. You're not here to impress people. You're not in here to entertain people. You're not in here to measure up against somebody else. You got ends to meet. And when you're making bread on the constant, when you're in here making money, putting your nose to the grind, mind your own fucking business, making money, you don't give two shits what people think. You don't care, because you've been doing it. It's an everyday thing. It's another fucking Tuesday to me. Okay. It's all it is. It's another fucking Tuesday. Nothing different. It's a different paycheck, a different income increase. And I didn't have to do anything different. But you complicate the things emotionally and psychologically by inviting other people's opinion about what you did. And if you know what you're doing works, why are you posting what you made? And when someone has that, when they have that perspective on their own being, their self-worth, that is wonderful. because no company could pay me enough to go to work for them. And that's how you should think about yourself. You're such a wonderful enterprise, such a high-end yielding income enterprise. You Incorporated. You're so fucking amazing. You're so well equipped and financially literate that you can go out there and carve your own existence out financially. You don't need to have a job. But you've been lied to since grade school that the American dream is to get a good education, get yourself a good job, buy yourself a 30-year mortgage, and you're happy. That is not what it is. Happiness is being your own person, a free person, someone that's not tethered to someone else like a slave master and says, you must perform this or you're worth nothing to me. You're useless to me unless you come to work on time. And when I call you to work, you better fucking show up. If you don't show up on time, I'm going to punish you. I'm going to dock you. I'm going to reprimand you. That's a slave master. There's no other way around that. That's exactly what that is. You are a slave. You are a slave. You're all on the same plantation. And I was on the plantation too. But I broke and ran. Every time that hammer came down and I'm doing the master's labor, selling my time for far too little money, giving up time with my own kids that I can't get back. Every other instance, I'd hit the hammer at work and then I'd hit the hammer on that chain. And over time, I weakened that chain. And when it came time for me to run and I had the opportunity to break away from that shit, I did. And I never fucking looked back. I never looked back. And I didn't give a fuck how anybody thought of how I did it. I didn't care. I had to get off that plantation. I had to get out of there. I couldn't do it anymore. And that's why I make my kids work. Because they have to have that. When they get that in their system, they can't stand it, that they're being prostituted for far too little money, being controlled and told, you must do this or you're worthless to me. Bitch, you're useless to me as an employer. You ain't paying me enough to be here. I don't care about you. I don't care about your company. I don't give a fuck about Carl. And you ain't my future. I gotta go. We're divorcing right now. Goodbye. See ya. And run down the road. Chase and pursue that future. That future that's yours. How many years have you fucking wasted at the jobs you're at right now? Think about that. Think about it. Who kept you there? The employer didn't. They're not keeping you there. You're making the decision to get up and go to work there every day you're scheduled. You're doing that. And you need to change your perspective about that, because that is a vampire sucking the life out of you. It's stealing joy. It's stealing opportunity. It's stealing freedom. It's stealing success. It's holding you back. So it's far time right now for you to start thinking about what you're going to do to separate yourself from that when it's advantageous for you to do that. And the uncomfortable state of being while you're there, let it fuel you. Let that be the catalyst that keeps you going. That's the wind in your sails. That's the steam in your engine that says, it's going to be hard. It's going to take longer than I want it to. But guess what? When I finally leave, when I walk up to fucking Carl and I tell him, look here, you little motherfucker, you're a company man and good for you, but you can go fuck right off. I'm out of here. See ya. I told you this day was coming. Kiss my ass. Goodbye. And leave him as a company man that he is. You're not a company man. You're not a company woman. You are a corporate man, a corporate woman of You Incorporated. You're the corporate. You're the business. And you need to start minding your business like you give a fuck about it. You need to be building up You Incorporated and stop worrying about so much of what your bosses and corporations making. Because you can put out more effort, but they're never going to compensate you for that increased effort because they own you. In trading, you need to think about what you're doing. Are you taking a stupid fucking risk right now? What was the catalyst that causes you to want to take that trade right now? You're pushing the button right now based on what kind of stimuli? Is it based on the model that you're trading? Or are you basing it on somebody that said something to you? Or you read something that made you feel uncomfortable and you want to be able to show them something? Are you trying to replace something you're experiencing in your personal life? Relationship breakup, health diminishing. Maybe you lost your job. Maybe they said you're redundant. You got to get out of here. Wonderful. That's a good thing. Because now it's got fire on your ass. You better do something. What are you going to do? Start learning how to be financially literate. It doesn't take long to learn how to replace your job. It does take a long time for you to stop thinking stupid shit and repeating stupid shit and telling yourself eventually it's going to give you a different result. I did it as a young 20-year-old. I kept telling myself the things I was doing, I was going to break it. It wasn't going to break me. And the only thing it was doing was allowing me to manifest the very thing that I thought I was avoiding, which was losing and blowing accounts. And I would blow the accounts every single time. I would go in there, try a new method, try a new concept, tinker this, tinker that, take this away, change the settings, start another book, use a different author, different methodology, blend methodologies, put pieces of this one and put it in that one. And all that shit didn't work. And I'm convinced, folks, listen to this one, ready? I'm convinced if someone external from my own person, me, the creator of Smart Money Concepts, if I saw someone else like me and I was exposed to this content at 20, before I recognized my own character flaws, before I recognized all the shit that I was doing wrong and how I thought, I would have still blown my accounts using what I'm teaching you today, because my mind was wrong. My perspective on life, on money making, and about my own abilities and why I didn't deserve it. Because back then I didn't think I deserved it. Deep down inside, I did not believe I deserved it. Something was broken inside of me. I came from very low income family. I came from people that did not encourage one another in my family. And I was in abusive relationships as a child, left in dangerous situations. So I had trust issues. I had every possible thing that could have happened to a child. That was what I was exposed to. So I had a very twisted perspective on everything. So I had to fix a lot of that stuff. And it wasn't an immediate fix. So even though that I know today that my concepts, my approach to reading and trading the marketplace is the highest superior form of speculation and market analysis, there's nothing higher than this, because this gets right to the market, right to the tick, why it should, why it shouldn't, when it will, when it won't. No other methodology does that type of stuff. It gives you the nuts and the bolts as to why it will, why it won't, and times it. It literally spits in the face. Everybody says you cannot time the market. You're out of your fucking mind. We do it all the time. No pun intended. But even knowing what I have now as its final form, if it was given to me at 20 years old when I first started, I would have lost money using it. Because I didn't have the right mindset about what I was doing. I was rushing to get out of the job side. And I was just using it as a lottery. If I could just make $5,000 a month, I'm quitting. And I would have quit my job with the first $5,000 that made. And then I'd be fucking scared to death because I have to now trade. When I first learned how to trade, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to time the market. I didn't know what I was looking for a setup. It was just chasing price. But when you quit your job and you don't have any money, you're not funded from your personal life, that has to be assured. You got to give yourself 24 months of living expenses, not affluent living expenses. You have to have 24 months of making your ends meet. That means you don't have to put a trade on every day. And you have to have at least 50 grand as capital. And you can disagree with that all you want. But Those that ask me, that's what I tell you. Minimum 50 grand, ideally 100 grand. 2 years in the bank, yielding interest, because you're not gonna want to dip into it, but you have it in case you do. And then you have your well-funded trading account. And if you aim for 1.5% per week, $1,500 is $1,500. It may not meet your present needs right now, but most of you probably don't even make that right now. Most of you probably don't even make $1,000 a week. And those that are in other countries don't even make $1,000 a month. So when you see the potential of using these concepts, where you're at geographically in third world nations, you would be considered affluent, making $50,000 a year. But you're trying to make $50,000 in a month because you see these people that are using 20 accounts and they're parlaying it up. But I promise you, they're scared shitless. They're stressed out. They're thinking about that shit before they go to bed, and they're thinking about it before they wake up. That's not what trading's supposed to be. That's gambling. And you Incorporated is not a casino. And many of you are treating your trading like casino, where you're just placing bets and hoping for the best. And worst case scenario, I just got to pay for resets. What the fuck is that? That's asinine. How about have one account? Have one account where you only got to worry about that one account. Grow it modestly, modularly, soundly. Build the experience without having greed attributed to it, because when you don't know how to trade well and you compound it by having 10, 15, 20 accounts, and then add to it even more that you're trading with other prop firms in addition to that, you're trying to get the maximum. If a trader's really, really well versed in trading and they have that much quote unquote capital, there should be no reason why they should be shut out of their account. Like I've had students already have happened to them. They make too much money and the fund account companies say, all right, it's time to go. Okay, pay me out. Have a good life. See you later. They should be able to do that quickly. But you see them constantly rotating through resets. And the reason why they're doing that is because they're compounding the degree of difficulty with the inherent risks. Instead of saying, I'm going to trade with one contract. I'm going to trade with one contract, and I'm going to focus on being excellent about my trading with one contract. And then get good at that. And then what you've done is you replaced any opportunity for greed or performance fear and anxiety, living up to expectations that the social media crowd would want of you. Everybody's got to be a multimillionaire payout now, or you're not the king of trading. You're not the GOAT of trading. Anybody, and even though you just recently saw somebody using my concepts do it, the aspects of over leveraging, anybody can do that. They can find themselves in a parlayed, over leveraged stream of trades where it just happened to yield out a very large payout. But can it be done again? Can it be replicated again? There's other prop firms out there. Can it be done again? Or one of those instances, once in a lifetime, everything fell in favor. The market was just moving so heavy-handedly, and then there you go. It just popped out like it's supposed to magically appear. I don't want my trading like that. You shouldn't want your trading like that. As much as it is nice to have $1 million, but $1 million is not that much money. You can spend $1 million real fast. In fact, I've spent $1.7 million just this year. Hello. Things cost. And you're helping other people, they cost too. And when you have a skill set that can replace that whenever you want it to be there, you can just reach out and pluck it off the money tree. Sounds scammy, doesn't it sound scammy? that someone would tell you, hey, I'm gonna give you the seeds, okay, but your job is to plant it in fertile ground, not sand. You have to go out there and find fertile ground, and that fertile ground is you. You're the fertile ground. But if you're stony ground or sand, good seeds are not going to take root in that. That means you're going to try to do something too fast without taking roots. You're going to not water it. That means you're not going to encourage yourself with your journal. You're not going to give it sunlight. That means you're not going to allow your positive reflections to encourage you when you feel like you're not doing enough, or if you have a setback, a little drought period when there ain't no rain, no water, and it's going to feel like your progress is drying up. So you got to go back and reflect on your journal when you did it right, and that encourages you, and you make it rain again with new progress. Those things are how you're supposed to go forward and nurture yourself. And if you're able to do that and you live your life like that, not just in trading, but in all aspects of your life, you won't fall victim to life's snares. You won't look at your temporary trials and tribulations and problems, flat tires, engines blowing up in the cars, car accidents, loss of job, illnesses, setbacks, things that you didn't foresee you have to spend money on, and you have to. That's happening in everybody's life. And just because you're a good trader doesn't mean you're exempt of that. Just because you believe in a God doesn't mean that God's going to make sure none of that stuff happens to you, because those things are given to you so that way you're encouraged and you have a testimony and you can share it with other people and you can encourage them. I'm convinced that's the reason why my pathway through all this stuff was so hard. Because I have a voice now. I can tell you that, yes, it's hard in the beginning. Yes, it's going to feel like you're never going to get there. Yes, no one's going to adequately support you or believe in you. They're not going to, but you have to. And there's a certain way of doing it correctly that I believe it could foster that right mindset and cultivate that mindset ongoing. But it's going to take a lot of effort for you to do it. And it's going to be easy for you to look for distractions, weekend living, chasing a significant other, thinking that you need that more than you need making money and trading. You're lonely. You've been by yourself and you want someone else in your life. And trading's interesting for a little while, but when the charts get closed, who are you nestling up with at night time? Who are you falling asleep in the arms of? Who are you waking up to and greeting with a smile? That's an ache for you. That's an absence and void that you're trying to fill. Maybe you're not equipped to be in that yet. And maybe this is just one catalyst that's going to propel you into a position where you're going to finally meet the right person that is best suited for you. But you wouldn't recognize them, or they wouldn't recognize your value and worth because you're not presently there.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You are now tuned into Valley Trades. Father, thank you. Father, glorify you. I honor you and adore you, Jehovah. Thank you for your mercy, your love, and your compassion. Spirit of the living God, I pray that you lead me and guide me today. Lord, I pray for strength. I pray for wisdom. I pray that I'm tuned to your frequency in Jesus' mighty name. Take over, Lord. Take charge, take control, take preeminence. In Jesus' mighty name, Father, I thank you. Amen and amen. What up, what up, what up, ladies and gentlemen? What up? Din chang, my dog. We are back at it again. Ish. But the office now I'm gonna get distracted. I think this is a market maker sell model. Let me go to 5 minutes. I don't know, network is very slow today. I don't know what's going on. We just took this minus outside. I don't know, man. Let me carve this one. You know, you want the coins, huh? Balal and the Briolis. Not yellow dog, purple. Having purple on my charts. Ke mang o mfounela? Hi man. These people. So if you are serious, will call me again. If we close above, ne, that's a strong sign that we're not coming down here. So we are going up here. So if it's like that, I'm gonna look for a down close 5-minute candle or 1-minute candle for us to go up. If we don't go up, we're going down. If not, we are going sideways. And how will I know? 5 minute, my nigga, 5 minutes will tell me. So this is the opening range gap. This is where we closed yesterday for regular trading hours, RTH, regular trading hours. This is like we are currently on electronic trading hours. Electronic, which is for us electronic traders, and then regular trading hours is for those guys who are literally at what's this place? Wall Street. Yeah, Wall Street, who are literally in the offices of trading when it says 9:30, when there's that they ring the bell, cling 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 cling, the market is opened. No. And this is where, so right now in New York it's what, 9:51. See, New York, I'm using New York time frame. Oh guys, I feel like I'm dehydrated. My body is telling me that I'm dehydrated. I need water in my system. Make me sweat, make me water. Okay, wait, I need to first check which time frame. Okay, took out this buy side. Might not even recognize, because here's another buy side here. From the 4-hour, we have a buy side here. So I think we're going for this buy side, man. I think we're going for this buy side. Are we gonna get there today? I highly doubt. Check the daily. think this is the buy side. Because this data, it says I haven't swept off previous month low, and you look at NQ, E-mini, it says we swept it Friday. You cover. So I think this is, yeah, man. Guys, I drank what's this, BioPlus, nah, without eating. Yo, how many days left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days left before we close out the monthly candle. I think we've reached our monthly low, eh? Anyway, I told you, for my 5 minutes is, see, these weeks, John Wick and fun. Check these weeks, dog. Yo, check these weeks, my dog. You know what, ne? I have to start being intentional, dog. I need to start being intentional. Cause as much as I don't want to mess up, I'm fun. I've been at this for how long, my dog? Yo. Okay, this is another sell side, man. I've been playing around, my dog. Yo. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's why even at home they think I'm playing video games when I'm on the chat. But what I must not do is to make stupid moves. We have another sell side here. If we are gonna come down there. Because we took, let me check if we have a breaker. Ish, uhlakahlakane nje. Yo, uhlakahlakane mfana. I'll just wait, dog. I'll just wait and see. Stunning cake, mfana. Stunning cake. stunning cake, my dog, stunning cake. Let's see. Which one is this one now? Sini lapha, simemezela. you find out ICT took this shot from here to here, here and here. Oh yeah. I saw there's a BC here. You were invalidated. It's good to sit on your hands, eh? Big Star Johnson, twice a show. Yeah, I'm listening to that. If you don't know Big Star Johnson, you're not from South. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. 5 minutes. I see you. No, ngizokudlala mfana. Oh yeah. Guys, well, you know when I said I need to be intentional about my, because I clearly could have gotten in here and low hanging fruits. No, not 10 pips, man. Okay. Yeah, just above. See? Oh. matsatsi a tshwane mfana. It's not Christmas every day. Where are we going? Is it up? Is it down? Is it sideways? $68.8. I feel awful, dog. Yo, why did I drink that Bio Plus? Tate itlanyuluela modi monta tabe tate tate tabe loyaka loyaka yana itlanyulu dimontate itlanyuluela. Yep, there's our launch pad. There is our launch pad. Now let me just look for kanti what heaven. So now we're gonna use this. Osana Osana Oti Mo No Dimunta Untate Humudimu Ametlolo Jesu Ate Untate Ribine Hosana Hosana Hoti Mo Dimonda Hundate Wamehlolo Jesu Ate Hundate Ribine. Jodide doesn't want to go above, Like, it doesn't want to go above, dog. It doesn't want to go there, dog. It doesn't want to go there, my chief. So I'm thinking, let me see, dog. see if it goes up, bounces off this BC and then goes higher. If it doesn't want to do that, meaning this, as they would say, see, check your trend line, my dog. See, that's a false breakout. So which one is it, Chief? This is a nice BC, this one. 5-minute BC thing. Okay, it's before 10 o'clock. At 8:45. Because no yanakadiwala ne. Check how. See. At least if we go up, I'd say it would end up here. 120. 170. Hey. I wonder who's in on these market conditions. John Wick. I tell you. Clola John Wick in fan. Still 45. 30. Yo. Alright. Guys, I don't need to patel as I trade. If there's no trade, it's still fine. At all, there we go. There we go. Isambani lomoya namo.
Imoto.
Ase K69 today. Ondate umudimo ametlolo Jesu ondate ribi Hosanna, Hosanna, Hoti. Because from here, on the 1 hour chart, it's that that high, my dog. You see, No, Baba, she went to the bathroom. Cheetahs. Yo, 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 yo. I should have so bored here. Now I'm busy with something else. Let's see if I buy here. What is my 5 minutes here? think where I put my stop loss is not the one, because if you check, okay, let me finish what I'm doing here, dog, because now I'm getting distracted. Let me finish this. 4 1 20 gig. Hash. Psst, 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 psst. For 7 days. Okay. Star 1, 2, 3. Red hot deals. Once off. $10 gig. Dinsa. May come away. Hey, 173. Damn. Hey. $179. Ish. So this one is not an option though. 3 2. Red hot deals. Once off. Yeah, 10 gig for 30 days. 30 days, 10 gig. It's not even sustainable for me, dog. 10 gig, I passed it now. Joy comes in the morning. Okay, now let's spacing on. Ingane. Then guess what? I said I wanted to go up, bounce back, and then go up. And then look where I bought. Yeah, ne? Yeah. say one thing and do the other. I know that I can say, no matter what may come my way, my life is in your hand. I mean, the way it's playing around here, it's gonna, yeah, there we go. So I taken. Then let's wait for 5 minutes. Let's see what the 5 minute will do. I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. In a moment, in the split of a moment, I know exactly what happened there, my dog. Today is very quiet. Oh, 500. I know exactly what happened, my dog. I don't wanna lie. There you go. Exactly what I wanted. No matter what may come my way, my life is in your hands. My life is in your hands. So, guess what? It did what I wanted it to do, to come down here. Yeah, I got distracted when I was there, dog. Let's see, 1 hour. Yeah, for 1 hour this makes sense. do my check, so I don't want to see anybody's clothes below this. I think this BC says it all. Let me take out that thing. Yeah, no. Like, I'm hungry, dog. Yo. Yo. I know I'm not gonna die. The hunger. It's too real. Guys, is this not a bullish order block? Bullish order block. Not only that, we touched 50% of this inversion fair value gap. Oh, Maranatha, Yahweh, you are the Shiloh, you are the Ra of my life, you are the Tzikenu of my life, you are the Gibor of my life, you are Yahweh Shammah, the ever-present God. Something is wrong with my okay, this is 5-minute delayed, ne? Okay, now that's fine. Because now 15 minutes is no, like, this is where I should have bought, but amen. Things don't always go accordingly, so my stop to wait. Yeah, I would say just here. Confirm. So I'm doing exactly what's this side. See? See? So, yo, okay, leave the money alone. Just look at the structure, because the money is gonna deceive you. From here, 1 hour, there's no inefficiency, it's just one way. Our next, okay, 4 hours here, and it's gonna take time. If I put it here, yeah, nah, you find wherever you are. How much is this very short upload? 2. Okay, and then 30. Okay, I'm doing what I said I must not do, guys. I don't know why. Let me just look at the structure. We might get stopped out, and then the price continues to the upside. I don't know, we'll see. Even if it does, you spoke it, dog. Now you have to live with it. Ish, stop speaking negative. Yo, let it just go up, dog. Now you are kissing your own trades. Imagine. Go up, my dog. Go up. Bye bye. Sharp. As I said, I don't want to see it come even 50%, 25%. Let it just go back up. I don't want to see it here. I don't want to see it down here. Let it just go up. Let it just go up. Go up, my dog. Go up. I don't want to see you in this BC. I don't want to see you in the BC. Just keep on going up. I don't want to see you.
I already decided that before I showed up to the marketplace today, right? I already know my targets. Every time it's the same thing.
I don't want to see you in that BC. Go up. Don't even close inside it. Okay. See, now this is a problem for me now. The way this don't close, can you? Oh, yeah, I'm stopped out, dog. Ah, what's going on?
Same ticket. Alright, and you'll. Yeah, Chris,
like this. So in order to draw your gap, you want to find closure of candle at 4 p.m. and open. That's your gap. You're gonna draw from close to open. That's your
I think things on other pairs. Yes, the T comes goes against me. And then it messes up and also it's like I can
Ish,
and it's not
ish,
even a thing that is
my dog, yo,
it's just
I'm dealing with my dog, yo. I'm hungry, dog, yo. Try get la I'm fun. Oh, let me go switch on the light. I can't see now. first partial was taken, but I only entered one contract on my life account, guys, and because of my account size I can't even enter my 0 point mamang. It's just 0.01 dog. Yo. See my life. See my life. What's this? 0.33. What's this close? 26. 0.26.9. Let me see, dog. Okay, it's 28. No, 28 is so basically okay, let me do according to candlesticks above this, slightly above there. Let me just leave it there. So even if I get stopped out, I don't lose that much, because already I've taken a loss of 43 cents. So my stop loss now it's 10 cents, so it's gonna be 53 cents. Yeah. You know, with my account size I should have I should have entered here, but you know, should have, could have, would have, didn't happen. Is there any efficiencies? I know there's a CB there. I think I can move. I still have this BC. I don't want to risk putting it directly below this BC and then, you know, John Wick dog. Kidilaka John Wick. 1 or 5 minutes. There's any. Okay, we dealt with this. 15. Okay, this. So now I need to see. Okay, from here now, I don't know if it's gonna do this. Is it gonna play around because of this CB, or is it gonna do it once it gets to this? Let me do this so I can know. This is 15. this. Man. Let me wait for it to get to this 150 and then I'll move my stop to 10 cents. Just imagine, guys. Who would have thought me I'd be talking so much more, and I don't want to deal with so much more numbers, but I have to deal with, I should be saying $1,000. I'm moving my stop to $1,000 and it's gone, but I don't know why I'm not moving it. Nah, let me just do it, dog. I'm telling you. This PC. Hi. Sorry about that. And she's still coming back because she just needed to use the bathroom. So what's this, 5 minutes, ne? Alright. Let me see, one ish. See now. Just the 5. And then Gamo on the 1 minute. Eh. So this one, I can just put it here. Yeah, Ishapomo, no problem. Let me just put it here. My dog. I don't like these numbers, dog. I'm telling you. Okay, so where did I put it? Okay, low of that candlestick. Which one is this one? Uh, 50. What's this low? 52.0. Hey, is this one? Coming back, guys. Sorry about that. I had a loud bang, so I don't know what was that loud bang. So I had to go and check. Alright, so okay, now we are where? We are here now. Okay, let's see how this one closes. Let me do this. No. This. Yo. Okay. That's what, 15 minutes. 15 and 5 and 1. 5, 1, 15. Okay. Yeah, 1 hour I'm expecting it to just shoot up straight. It can play, but it mustn't play too much. We have this PC here. Alright. Now we wait. Tanya's live stream doesn't want to play. I don't know what's going on. Mini Dlamini. See? Amen. Let me
Use
move on.
SPX only if you have these two scenarios. That's important. So first, we got today example, just done textbook example. So SPX opened near liquidity level. So let's say
Okay,
it was
Lumi's in school, she's in class.
like let's say it was here. Here's our
Lumi's busy teaching. Lisiba. Which one is this one?
I think most of the American is see the stock completely see.
Oh, gold.
Because just being here, because I could say no, I want to stick to not
Is it still Forex Chasers?
yes, it's a bit fed up
Oh,
because but it's gonna make the straight need to look like this, you see.
man, I've been loving this guy, dog.
Sometimes I just call me someone because old studio looked like before it had the BDH. Pretty funny. Pretty funny, man. Like, what was going on? Why did I have this? The green screen. 9 years ago, making videos on YouTube. Gotta love it. Do I look different now? What do you think? What do you think? Are we gonna hit target here or what? I'm gonna move this up a little bit. It should blast through the 20s at least. Let's go for 35. Let's go for 100 points. Why not?
Okay.
You have not aged at all. I mean, my hair is definitely thinner. My hair is definitely thinner. I've just been living, man. I've just been eating. Been eating.
When we do that, see where am I gonna put stop loss?
I feel like old from the beginning. Wow. Fucking assholes. I mean, like I always say, you know, my haters are my biggest supporters, right? I'm 37 years old. Yes, 37.
I don't know, man. We'll see.
Why do the Chinese channels always go against the market? Because they're Chinese. I don't know what to tell you. FSP is a scam. The dude talks about Jesus Christ and the Bible. He's day trading. And I've said this a million times, right? I'm all for it. Like, believe in God, have your religion, all that. But, like, you don't need, like, don't. The minute that your guru starts combining Jesus with their teachings, that's when they're trying to basically scam you. Right? What is the easiest way to get people to, like, can believe that you have their, you know, best interest in mind? Well, that's by basically saying, you know, oh, well, guys, I believe in the Jesus just like you, so buy my course. You know, buy my course.
Okay, now that makes sense.
Don't do it. Keep it out. Everybody should have their, you know, I'm all for it. Like, you know, obviously I believe in God and all that too, but I don't sit here all day long talking about it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there's when your guru starts using Jesus to get more views, you should be worried.
Red
You
flag.
should be worried. Ski1459 says, don't agree with that. Should I follow you because I like Pokemon? What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Let me try Tanya one last time. Maybe the stream has ended, dog. You know what? Let me take low hanging fruit, ne? I'm gonna take my TP here, dog. It might go all the way up there, but let me just be practical about it. Should I just put it here? Who's calling me now? Ish. Okay, now you see this. Bellal and the Briolis. And this one is coming back. Hey Yahweh, Gumama. Hey Yahweh, hey Yahweh, Gumama Yahweh. Hey Yahweh, hey Yahweh, Gumama. Did I just decide? Oh yeah, I did. How much is it giving me? Okay, leave how much is giving you. Look at the structure, my dog. How many times must we say? Don't look at the price. Look at the liquidity. Liquidity, Timvana. Okay, didn't wanna close there. Oh no, do you wanna come back here? But I don't want to see this. I don't want to see it. It can come and sweep here, but I don't want to see it close below. Sure. I don't want to see it close below. The reason it came back is because of this CB. This CB. And that's all it does. I need to take this by side. Go up, my dog. Just go up. 50 more pips. Just go up. Go back up. You come back down. Oh, I wanted to see which CB is this one. Then what about the 15? I think it just came here, and then it went down. Nah, it doesn't need to. I don't want it. Not it doesn't need to. I don't want to see it close inside. Yes, yes. I don't like this candle. I don't like this candle how it closed. I don't like how this candle closed. I want you to go back up, dog. Go back up, my nigga. Go back up, my dog. Go back up. ICT uploaded something there. Trading in high resistance liquidity run conditions. This is definitely high resistance, but not really. I think where I got in, it's what made it high resistance. I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie. Look at this thing, dog. Ne? Look at this. I knew it's coming when it was on the 1 minute. Let me go back to the 1 minute. When price was still here, somewhere here, somewhere around here, I said if it goes up, what I want to see it do is to close up, come back down, bounce on this BC, and then go back up. What did it do? It did exactly that. What did I do? I entered here. Let me show you my mistake for today. If you don't believe me, go back and check around 10, 20, 10, somewhere here, between 10:16 and 10:16 and 10:25. I said if I want to see it go up, I want it to close above this BC 935 BC. I want to see it go up, come down, bounce off this, and then go up. Price did exactly that, but where did I buy? Look where I bought. Just look where I bought, guys. Just look. And it came, stopped me out, and then I look again where I bought. I'm the one who complicated things here, not the market, but me. I'm the one who complicated it, because I did say, I want it to come back down, go up, come down, and then go up. And yeah, man, it did exactly what I said it wanted to see it do. So we can't blame the markets. There's no way. I don't like this talk. Look at the 15 minutes. I'm sure it closed below. Yeah. This is not what I wanted. I didn't want it to close below that 15 minute. Ish. What am I doing, dog? Let me just close it off manually, dog. It's in the 15-minute BC, it's in the 5-minute BC. It's obviously gonna retrace towards this sell side. Hey this. I'm being aggressive with my stop loss. Let me be aggressive with my stop loss. Put it at 75%. What's the price? What's the price? $78.6. Stop loss 78. Six, 8. See, 1 minute. Okay, just about, just one. Okay, I think this is the one. Yeah, just, yep. Alright. Now we wait. It's gonna hit my stop loss. That's fine. I lost 10 cents. If it's gonna go up, hallelujah. Okay, I'm coming back now, guys. Now. Hopefully I don't come back and it hit my stop loss. Reconnecting. Which one is this one now? Hey. Come on, my phone is very slow. Yo. just put it here. I'm tired now. Yeah, I just want this trade now to close, go up here, take profit, and then let me sell 15, 25. Because now it's what, 3 hours, dog. I'm fetching 3 hours now. Nah, 2 hours 30 minutes. You see? Even if I can just put it here, dog. It's fine. At least yeah, no. It's fine, dog. I didn't lose. There we go. Trade history. Some will say, no, you were impatient, you should have waited. Hey, impatient my foot. See, this is why I check them. So yeah, guys, anyway, I'm glad. Yeah, break even today. I'm just at break even. Yeah, today is just break even. Did break even today. So like I said, I explained, I was expecting this move and then I got in here too early. I don't know why I couldn't wait. Well, I know, not that I don't know, I know why I couldn't wait. So yeah, trading under high resistance liquidity run. I'm telling you now, it might go here in 2 minutes. You just see it, boom. Anyway guys, it was good being with you all today. I'm not gonna wait until 3 hours. I need to relax, get ready for, we have a leaders meeting at 7 o'clock in an hour's time. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Today was a good one. Tomorrow I think it's gonna be short because we have a home sale. So yeah guys, good luck and good trading. May my God bless you. Shalom.